guys, so I am at the Pure House project and I have not updated you in a very long time, so you hear what's going on? Today is floor day. I have not documented a lot. I'm going to walk around a little bit and show you kind of what we've done, and very excited to give you an update on our reno project. First I'm going to walk outside and I'm going to show you behind me. We have, oh, it's so bright. We have some cedar accents on the house. Maybe I showed you those in a previous video, but a new roof has gone on. But man, what a difference, the roof. So my friends at Elevate Roofing, Jonathan Rushing is the owner. They're based out of North Carolina, and he's a college friend of mine. And he sent his crew to Georgia, where they don't even work, and did our roof. Let's see if I can show you here. Look at it. Beautiful architectural roof in charcoal is the color. High definition architectural shingles. So let me show you some of the other stuff we've done. I'm just going to tell you now before I open it in the noise that these are the new floors. As you can see, I can't really walk in, and he looked at me. I didn't get him on video, but he looked at me like, why are you opening that door? We also have vinyl plank going in. Look at all of our stuff. Right, look at this. So we're taking up linoleum floor. This is where a little mini bar is gonna go. And then the laundry room is in shambles. Look, so you walk in the room, this is gonna be like a bonus room. This is a closet that we're working on, okay? And then in here, look how beautiful this floor is. Awesome. We have also prepped the bathroom that had this wallpaper. Okay, we've taken everything out. The platform, the toilet on the platform is gone. And we've replaced it with this beautiful shower. We moved the window, and see my little accent tiles? So we replaced it, we moved it to the middle because it was in an odd spot. And we replaced it with a new window, and in a shower it has to be tempered glass because you don't want a glass that's going to shatter and cut in a water area. So this will shatter but not break everywhere into little tiny pieces. But it's a beautiful oversized subway tile that we chose to put here. Because it had to be built up off the floor, we did marble, and we're going to trim it out. The cool thing about this floor here is it is a vinyl plank. It has a padding on it, which is waterproof, and this can carry into the bathroom because it's very durable and water resistant. So I'll show you something else. I'm going to show you the kitchen. I have new granite, beautiful granite, pretty. Look at it, so pretty. And this is the Backsplash. I actually did it myself in the new faucet. See? I pulled out April got it started, but I wound up working on it. And all the hardwood floor will go in here. Here's the master. So all the carpet is now on in here. I'm talking loud because I don't know if you can hear me. But look at this, the shower. We've done the shower. And obviously we got to put doors on it, but look at this beautiful tile. So we had tan floors, white marble tile, and I tied it in with both in that beautiful, beautiful tile. Look at that. We took an old medicine cabinet. Okay, look at this. This is so valuable and useful, but dated. So, you know, by itself, it didn't make a very good statement, but this is actually old fence boards that have been in my garage for about 2 years. And we just trimmed it out in fence boards. We've got to put some kind of grab handle or a little insert here so that you can get it. Change the light, and new granite on the old countertop or on the old cabinet that I'm gonna paint. So it's coming along. I have a cabinet that will go in here. This used to be where the door would swing into the room, but now we can make it useful space by putting a cabinet. Look, I don't know what color I'm gonna paint it yet. We're just gonna see how it feels when we're done, whether I want a really light color or a dark color. But man, I would love this bathroom now. At first I thought it was too small, wouldn't work, but a big, beautiful stand-up shower. A nice cabinet, some good storage. It's turning out nicely. So if I can show you flooring, I will, but if not, I'll sign off. But this is the Pure House project, my spring 2019 flip. It's not a total gut job, but we have gotten it down to the bare bones and changed the colors and given it a new feel. We're getting really, really close to the finish line because I'm gonna stage in about a week. I'm gonna start bringing furniture in, making it, you know, hitting the punch list, maybe working on the deck, and it's coming together. Let's see if we can see the floor. So, we'll check in soon, okay? So there you go, guys. I will follow up here maybe in a week, okay? See ya.